Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into the Quadency support video series where we dive deeper into the different functionalities of the Quadency dashboard as well as the bots. So today's video, we'll be diving into the multi-level RSI indicator bot, and this essentially just uses the RSI levels to determine trades, and you can do multiple layers of this RSI indicator to do your buys and sell orders. The strategy really aims to buy an asset when the price dips below the defined RSI levels, averaging down by buying more if the price drops even further, and it sells when the profit target or stop loss level is reached. But before we get into the bot, please make sure that you have a Quadency account at quadency.com. And once you have that established, make sure that you have connected yourself to your exchanges to your Quadency account. Once you've done that using the API, and we have wonderful resources for connecting your exchanges to your Quadency account. Once we have that, make sure you have also deposited funds. You can easily deposit your funds by clicking on deposit funds up in the corner of your dashboard. It's a nice bright green button. The pop-up comes in and you can select the assets that you wish to bring on into your Quadency account. Right now we're using USDC, USDT, and Quad to operate your bots. It's very important. You can't run any bots without one of those. Now let's get into business. Now you're going to click up in the menu and click on bots, and from there you're going to scroll your mouse over to available bots. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to your technical indicator strategies, and you're going to see your multi-level RSI bot, and this is the bot that we really want to get into. You're going to first give it a name, so we're going to do BTC RSI, and this is just going to help us identify our bots, and it's especially important once you start running multiple bots to know which one's which. Anyways, you're then going to select your exchange. For this tutorial, we're going to click on Kraken, and then you're going to select the account, your Kraken account, or my Kraken account, so to say. Then you're going to select the market. We're going to do BTC USDT, and then we're going to scroll down to our strategy settings. So what's really important here and sets the tone for the rest of your bot is your candle time frame. The shorter the time frame, the faster the trades will be executed. The longer the time frame, the longer it'll take for the bot to execute. But it's of course always dependent on your trading strategy, what you see in the charts, and what you want to make your moves and how you want to make your moves. So for the sake of this video, we're going to just do a 1 minute, and we're going to then select the RSI period. So the RSI period is going to be based upon the candle time frame that you set here. So 14 minutes, so to say, will be used for the RSI indicator, but we're going to increase that up to 30. Then you're going to set your different levels of your oversold levels here. Let's say we're going to do oversold at 45, 40, and 30. And then we're going to set the amount that we wish to buy in BTC, so 0.0001, and we're just going to do that for each level. So as the RSI drops down and it becomes more and more oversold, you're going to constantly be buying in. Now when it comes to selling this and taking your profit, you're going to set your profit target here. We want a profit target of something like 5% since we're doing BTC, and we're going to set our stop loss as well at something around 5%. You can also set your target above 100% by just typing it in, so 150, but we just want to keep it at 5% because that's pretty rational for BTC. Yeah, and this is actually even like too optimistic for such a short time frame. Again, not financial advice. Please do your own research and come to your own conclusions for what is the best trading strategy. Yeah, so once you have all these settings in, you're going to scroll up to the top of the screen and you're going to hit start live. Then a screen's going to come and it's going to say confirm live settings, and you're going to look at your trading account, fee account, and your fee assets. And what we have here is we're going to be using our USDC balance to start operating these bots on the Kraken account. So we're going to just hit start live mode, and you're going to see that the bot is now running. The way you can confirm that is up here on the left underneath the multi-level RSI heading. You're going to see a bot status, and you can see that it's running live with the green button. Now we can also see that the bot is here now on our dashboard, and we can now see if orders are being placed, if there's open positions or trades being done. Yes. So off of this, we hope this has helped you better understand how this bot works, as well as the different variables that you need to put in and what these different variables mean. And thank you for tuning into Quadency. If you have any questions or need any help, just reach out to us at support@quadency.com or message us on social media, and we'll make sure we get you all sorted and figured out. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in, and happy trading.